Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to insert dash border to image in Affinity Publisher. Let's get started. Firstly, we have to open a Affinity Publisher document. Now we want to insert dash border to image. Go to a blank page. Then go to the tool section and find and select the place tool. Then choose a picture from our file and click open. Then place this picture to our pages. Now we want to add dash border. Select this picture and select the stroke color option and choose any color. Now I select the black color, then select the white option and increase the white to this picture white. Now we want to add dash border. Select this dash option, then click outside of the picture and check this picture. Now we can see we add a dashes border to this image very easily. You can change the color, otherwise you can increase or decrease the white. Now I select this stroke color option and apply another color. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.